AI Explained, an introduction for beginners. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, yet it remains a mystery to many. In this video, I'll provide a beginner-friendly overview of AI and its vast potential. First, what exactly is artificial intelligence? Simply put, AI refers to computer systems that can perform tasks normally requiring human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. AI encompasses a variety of technologies like machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. AI applications are all around us. Virtual assistants like Siri use speech recognition AI to understand verbal commands. Facebook uses face recognition AI to suggest photo tags. Self-driving cars use computer vision AI to navigate roads. These are just a few examples. The business impact of AI is tremendous. AI can analyze data to detect patterns and predict future outcomes to improve decision-making. It can automate routine tasks to boost efficiency. AI chatbots handle customer queries to enhance service. The possibilities are endless. Looking ahead, AI will continue revolutionizing medicine, transportation, manufacturing, and many other fields. AI empowers humans to reach new heights of innovation and productivity. Of course, there are valid concerns around AI ethics and security that must be addressed. But the technology holds immense promise to improve lives. Understanding AI is key to ensuring it's used responsibly. I hope this high-level overview demystifies AI and gets you excited about its positive potential. Stay tuned for more beginner-friendly AI explainers to learn key concepts in human terms. The future is AI. Let's shape it for good together. At Quantum Mind AI, we make AI understandable and accessible for organizations of all sizes. Our team of AI experts provides full-stack consulting services to identify high-impact AI applications for your business, build and integrate tailored solutions, and ensure smooth adoption. We walk you through every step of the AI journey, from ideation to implementation and beyond. With our personalized approach, we extract maximum value from AI technology to drive transformative outcomes for your organization. Contact Quantum Mind AI today to schedule a consultation and unlock the tremendous potential of AI for your future success. The AI revolution is here. Let Quantum Mind AI be your guide.